Say hi, Beauty.
Hi. I tell you. I tell you. What you do? Dad, first, I'm a bug. Hey, God.
And
Bubble. Alright. Alright. This is.
Alright, y'all, I'm going to start Harper's wash day routine off with a Prepoo using the same conditioner that I used for my wash day. This is the Daily Fence conditioner from Dollar Tree. Sorry, Daily Defense. My words got tangled up there. It has argan oil in it, so I'm just going to use that to detangle her hair and provide some moisture before we actually wash it. And this is the front section of her hair that Harper cut. She had 2 twists in there and she cut them off probably about a month and a half ago. So yeah, we're going to track that growth. Although Harper's hair is short, I do like to put it in sections when I'm styling it or detangling it because I want to get in that habit, because as her hair grows, I can already tell that she is going to have my texture. It is going to be very coily and tight. So I'm already going to practice using sections so that it can stay detangled. So I'm going to introduce some moisture with this spray bottle by spraying it with water. And then I'm going to apply the conditioner all over each section of her hair, working it through with my hands and using my Crest Tangle Tamer comb. Just want to make sure that it's distributed evenly throughout each section and that her hair will get the proper moisture and detangling that she needs before we get into her wash day. Now that I've gotten to the last section, I'm taking out all of the clips and just combing through her entire head just one more time to make sure that it is fully detangled before I get into the wash day. And this actually sat in her hair for a little bit because I think she ate dinner and she wasn't quite ready to take a bath, so she actually had some time for this to sit in her hair. So this is the same shampoo I've been using on Harper hair. It's the Cantu Care for Kids Nourishing shampoo. I like it because it's detangling, and that's why I continue to use it. And of course, while I shampoo, I'm giving Harper a scalp massage. As you all can see, she is all over the tub, so that's why this shampoo section is so short, because I didn't want my baby all over the internet. She would not sit still. But once I've washed her hair and given her her scalp massage, now I'm rinsing out the shampoo with warm water. And y'all, this shampoo cap or shield is a lifesaver because Harper hates water in her hair. So using this keeps the water out of her face and it makes wash day a lot easier. I don't have to fight with her and she doesn't shed any tears. All I have to do is just move around with her in the tub, which is fine. She's 2. I don't expect her to sit still for too long. Now this next step is new in Harper's routine. We're going to deep condition, and I'm using the Cantu Deep Conditioning Mask. I've used this mask on myself before and I thought this would be helpful for Harper's hair because her hair does tend to dry out. And I know she's young and her hair is new, but I just want to get in good habits with her natural hair. So if I start taking care of it how she should as she gets older, then she'll learn from me. So I'm just applying that all over her hair, massaging it in with my hands, and then I'm combing through with my Crest Tangle Tamer comb to make sure it's evenly distributed and to also ensure that her hair is detangled. Harper doesn't fuss with me on wash day, but she will not sit still. OMG. And I'm actually going to put a plastic cap or plastic bag on her head to let this penetrate because this is a thick product. And I just let it sit up there for however long she would sit and play in the tub. And she actually stayed in there for about 15 or 20 minutes. And then I came back and washed her up and rinsed out the deep conditioner with cool water. Now it is time to moisturize her hair. I use the same lock method on Harper's hair that I use on my hair. just different products because I'm just learning what works for her hair. And these products seem to keep her hair moisturized for about 4 or 5 days. And once again, I like to do this in sections because Harper has very tightly coiled hair and I want to keep it as detangled as possible. So I'm just splitting the hair in half, and then I'm going to split that section on her right in half and begin moisturizing that way. For Harper's leave-in conditioner, I use the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk leave-in conditioner. This works so well on her hair, so I'm just applying that to that section and working it through. I'll also comb it through the section to make sure it's evenly distributed. And Harper's hair is still damp from taking her bath and washing her hair, so I always make sure that her hair stays damp when doing this. And then this comb has a wide tooth side and a fine tooth side, so I use this to detangle her hair. This is my oil blend with olive oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, avocado oil, vitamin E oil, and castor oil. So I use this to moisturize her section as the second step. And then to seal it on in, I use the Shea Butter coconut oil blend that I use for myself. And then I'm going to take that oil that I made, that oil blend, and I'm going to apply that all over her scalp in that section. And then I'm going to give her a nice scalp massage because I want to stimulate blood flow and hair growth, especially in that back section where it's a little bit shorter, trying to get it to grow out from when she was an infant and she used to lay on her back. So the hair is just taking some time to grow there. So I'm just massaging her scalp. Now that I have that section moisturized and detangled, I'm just parting it into sections to create little ponytails all over her head. And in that back section, I use a little bit of gel because, like I mentioned before, it is a little bit shorter back there. So I want to make sure that I can get all the hair into the style. And that cream there is the Salon Selectives curling cream that I got from Dollar Tree. It works well on Harper's hair. It gives it a nice little curl, and her curls are nice and defined in her little ponytails. And when I put the rubber bands on her head, I ensure that they are not too tight. So I wrap them and then I loosen them up at the ends. And these are the regular black rubber bands that you can get from the beauty supply store from Walmart. Only thing I do is that I put them in oil. So I put that same oil blend in that container so that they slip out more easily and they don't snag and tug on the hair as much. And this is just an upfront view of how I'm styling Harper's hair. I like to do triangle parts, which creates a little bit larger sections, but not too big and not too small for her hair. And I just think it looks cute. And in the front, I also use a little bit of edge control. This one is from Cantu. And I use a little bit of gel just to make sure that the hair looks sleek and cute and it all fits into the ponytail holder. Harper's hair all done. I'll just put a bonnet on her head and let her sleep. I just love this little style on her. It is so cute. And I'll show you all what I do for the front section in the morning.
You're not gonna smile?
No.
So I wanted to give you all a little length check. I forgot to do that the night before. But here's the back of her hair. It reaches about to the top of her shoulders or the very back of her neck. You'll see once I zoom out here. And then we have that side section which reaches to the bottom of her ears. And then we have the front section, which I can just pinch up a little bit, so we'll be tracking that growth. And as you can see, I style her hair in the ponytails, but I put a headband on it just to cover up that shorter section. And it looks cute. You won't even see her little DIY bangs. Say bye, beauties. Please. All right, say bye, beauties. Harper, say thank you for watching. Harper. 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 Say thank you for watching. Say go down below and subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss when I post. So you never miss when I post. So like I always say, it's free. Harper, it's free. It's easy. And it's fun. Say see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Can you blow a kiss?